Murals Your Way understands the importance of creating a stylish and unforgettable space for your business. A custom wall covering mural will enhance your brand and transform your business, creating a lasting impression on visitors and employees for years to come. Join the Murals Your Way business program today for exclusive benefits and services to help you with your business needs. As part of the Murals Your Way business program, you will receive one-on-one support from an experienced consultant who will help you every step of the way. Whether it's image selection, material choice, modifying designs, or quick turnaround times, they'll ensure you achieve the right solution and keep your project on schedule. Since walls are an inherent feature of your business or workspace, it makes sense to do something with them that can favorably impact your bottom line. Make your walls convey a little something about your products and services in a creative way with a word mural or photo mural. Impress clients with a colorful, welcoming space with a branded mural that greets them as they walk in the door. Create an inspiring and brand-strengthening work environment for your customers and employees by adding a little humor. Trust me, it will make everyone smile. For more information on our business program, visit muralsyourway.com or call or email our sales team.